I'm in a Hyundai Ioniq Electric, and if you've got a mirror that isn't folding in electrically, like this one is, and one sticks out and doesn't move, I'll show you what to do in this video. 90% of the viewers of this channel are not subscribed. I'm sorry to ask, but it would help greatly if you would. Just press the subscribe button. It's free and it shows YouTube you like this sort of vehicle related content. If you want to be notified when new videos are released, please click on the bell button also. Thank you, it really helps more than you would imagine. So all you've got to do is get a hold of the mirror and fold it all the way back that way, and you'll hear a click, and then fold it back to the normal position. And then you can use your button here to see whether that works, and as you can see, that one now is folding properly. And if that doesn't solve it, it's probably because the plastic mechanism inside is actually broken and therefore it will need a replacement. So that'll do for this one. I'll keep it short and sweet. If you found it useful, as always, please do click the thumbs up. That really does help. Do subscribe to the channel, and if you want to know more about the Hyundai Ioniq EV, there's a link below as well to a playlist where you can see those other videos. Okie doke, I'll see you on the next one.